Good morning guys! Welcome to First Impressions located at Barangay Biklatan, General Trias, Cavite. We are here in the site para ipakita sa inyo yung ating model house. This one is Calista Mid, the inner unit, townhouse. The lot area is 60 square meter and the floor area is 40 square meter. Meron included na po ang ating gate and may fence na rin po. The turnover of this unit is complete finish. This one, the living area, the kitchen area, one common toilet and bath sa ground floor, and the service area. Pwede natin gawing for laundry or dirty kitchen. This one is the second. At the second floor, we have the jalousie type window. And the second bedroom. Ang price po ng ating Calista mid or inner unit is 2.9 million. Reservation fee is 15,000. Then the down payment is payable 16 months to pay, which is 27,000 monthly. Then yung balance is payable through bank or Pag-ibig financing. So, Pag-ibig financing, 15,000 monthly. Yan po. Ma-avail nyo na yung complete finish, ang turnover niya, with fence and gate. Kasama na po.